Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Genius Junkie, your ultimate channel for mastering design with Canva. Today, we're focusing on Pinterest pins. If you're a blogger, marketer, or creative looking to boost your Pinterest game, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in and learn how to design engaging Pinterest pins using Canva. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, type Pinterest pin in the search bar. Canva offers a wide variety of Pinterest pin templates to choose from. For this tutorial, I'll select a vibrant and eye-catching template. Click on the one that fits your style. Customizing the template. Let's start by customizing the text. Click on any text box to edit. I'll change this to Top 5 Design Tips for Canva Users. Make sure your text is clear and attention-grabbing. Use bold fonts and vibrant colors to make it stand out. Next, let's change the background. Click on the background to edit the color or image. Canva has a vast library of photos, or you can upload your own. Choose a background that complements your text and theme. Now, let's add some graphics. Go to the Elements tab to find icons, illustrations, and shapes. You can also upload your own graphics. Drag and drop them into your design to make it more engaging. Let's add an image from the Canva library. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your pin. Click on the Share button, then Download. Choose your preferred file type. PNG is great for high-quality images, and hit Download. And there you have it. Your engaging Pinterest pin is ready to attract attention and drive traffic to your content. Canva makes it so easy to create stunning pins. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.